Hey guys, welcome to Happy Foods channel. Today we will make bun. We will take half cup all-purpose flour in a pan. Now we will add half cup milk and half cup water. Mix it well and switch on the flame. On lowest flame we will stir continuously till it comes together. This takes around 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Alright, now our tangzhong is ready. We will keep this aside. Moving on, now we will take 1 cup warm milk, and to it we will add uh, yeast 2 teaspoon. Mix well, and we will add 2 teaspoons sugar to feed the yeast. Now we will keep it aside in a warm place till it blooms. Now we will take 200 grams of all-purpose flour. We will add yeast mixture to the flour. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt or sea salt. Mix it well. Now we will add the tangzhong which we have prepared to. And we will start kneading. You can also use hand blender for this, as this process takes time. This kneading takes around 10 to 20 minutes. We will knead gently with our hands. It will be slightly sticky at first, but don't worry. But if you feel that it is more sticky, then dry flour can be added. Kneading helps in the gluten to develop. Now we will add milk in 2 batches. First we will add 1 teaspoon. Mix it well. Then we will add another 1 teaspoon of butter to it, and then we will knead again. Mix it well, and whenever you feel that the dough has become very sticky, then you can add dry flour. So the butter has incorporated well. Now we will grease the bowl and transfer the dough into the bowl. For proofing, we will cover it now with a cling film or a kitchen towel and keep it in a warm place for 1 hour at least. After 1 hour, it will be double in size. Punch to release the air and make it into rectangular shape. Now we will take out, and we will shape into a rectangle and divide it into 4 parts, like this way. Alright, first we will press and fold and pinch the edges, and now we will seal it to make it into a ball shape. This way we will make all the 4 balls. We will use the same method as we have used in the first one. Fold and then pinch and then form a ball. Now we will brush a baking tray with oil or butter, and we will transfer the dough balls into the tray. And now we will cover for around 15 to 30 minutes for second proofing. We will cover it with a wrap again. So after 30 minutes it will rise again. Now we will brush it with milk. This gives a good crust to the top. At this point we can add sesame seeds also, but I haven't added. Now we will transfer this into the preheated oven at 180 to 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes depending upon your oven. Okay, when done we will take out and cover it first for the next 20 minutes so that it doesn't become dry, and after that we will brush the top with butter. Our buns are ready. This butter helps give it a good glaze. See how fluffy it is. I am pressing it, it retracts back like a sponge. See? See, I have pressed and it has retracted back. I am pressing it hardly, but it has hold the shape, its original shape once again. Let me tear it to show you how it is inside. Looks wonderful. Alright, if you like the video, please share, comment and consider subscribing. See you. Bye.